Uncle, you see him?
This is your family.
Uncle, you see him? I just fall like this. Okay, make I use this and cover them. Wait, I'm not supposed to let grass show. Oh yeah. You dey see him?
I dey see him.
You be like, see now when person they scream, they do and where? Ah, farm work is not easy. Bring water. Before person go die, go and give the right defense. Hey, it's not easy.
Yeah, so
see, iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ a máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ́, láìsí àdá, kò ì pé o. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ a máa jalè. In Africa, in Africa, you see farm work. In fact, without farmers, nobody go survive for this world. Even tea wey una dey drink, then they do the milo from cocoa, and cocoa no be from farm. If farmer no bring her out, how na wan take drink tea? So respect farmers. Oh. You need to respect farmers. You know, Destiny, they need to respect farmers, Shebi. You see, even Destiny said that you need to respect farmers. Drink water to that. Your name is Destiny, and you go fulfill your destiny. Say amen. Good boy. Do you want to be a farmer? No. You don't want to be a farmer. But do you know that you can be a farmer, but you will not be a farmer? Do you understand? Don't worry, you will not understand when you grow. When you grow, you understand. Uncle? Okay, me no chatter. Uncle? See? Isha, láìsí ọkọ́, láìsí àdá. Is it complete?
No.
It's not complete now. Oh yeah. Go and drop the water. Bring, hey, Oga.
Yeah.
Bring. Sure, I'm on there.
if you not there for this village, until you go come survive.
Teacher, bring it, hamko. I think I can't be a jungle man, Holly. But if everybody for this world lazy like me, hungry go kill us. Because you see this work is not easy. It's not easy. That is why they pay me say people where they do this work, no be then even they chop the money pass. Now people where they buy and go sell for city. Now then they chop the money pass. You go see them buy water leaf. Ugu wey go plenty like this. Ugu wey go plenty like this. Then go buy them from farmers for 50 naira. For 50 naira. Then go come they sell like this. Only 2 pieces like this. Then go sell 2 pieces like this for 500. You see? Farmers wey do all the work go sell plenty like this. For example, for 100 naira. You wait and come to go sell this one like this for 500. Men are fear Jesus. This one they call shuku shuku. This one is called shuku shuku. This shuku shuku now. You see, they call it shuku shuku because you get where they shook person for hand, for leg. You see? Farmers go they walk. Sometimes they go shook their leg there. That's why they call them chuku chuku. If they chook person for leg. You see? later they go sell something. Now come they carry and go town, go they sell big money. Omo men na dey respect farmers o. See now, see this cassava?
Welcome, ma. Yes, ma.
See this cassava now. I show you guys how to plant cassava on my channel, okay? You see, before farmers go put this thing for ground, before it go germinate, then go work on top, do everything. Then go come sell this cassava, chinkini money. Then go do and garri. You go come carry the garri go town, go sell 1 cup for 1,000. Make una fear Jesus. Make una fear Jesus. Make una fear God. This one is mango, it never grow. This one is pawpaw. No, this one is guys, come. See guys, banana. Sorry, plantain. Actually, this is one of my favorite food, my favorite breakfast. Everybody that knows me, they know. If you don't know, now you know. This is one of my favorite breakfasts, plantain and egg sauce. See now, you see this one? They pick on buy them from farmers now for 300. The whole this thing like this for 300. But then go come town, come sell only 3 for us for 500, 1,000. They know they fear God. Anyway, guys, it's been a while I upload. These days, a whole lot of things is going on in my life. I've been going and coming. A lot of things is happening that I don't really used to film content like that again. But anyway, guys, still thank you for supporting me. This is me right now showing you guys African lifestyle. African lifestyle. You gotta go. So, guys, let me show you guys this one I was doing a while ago. This one. This is how we used to put it here. This is how we used to put it here. You do like this. You do like this. You do like Uncle, Shebi, you don't teach me now. Abi, I'm not doing it very well. Even the thing itself is hard until you're eating egg. This is egg. This is egg. Egg and bread. Bye, guys.